Ready to turn your business idea into a professional online store? In this video, I'll guide you through the essential steps to set up your very first Shopify store, even if you're a complete beginner. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Starting an online store might seem daunting, but Shopify makes it surprisingly straightforward. Let's build your foundation together. Step 1 is all about planning. Before you even click sign up, have a clear idea of your brand name and what you're selling. This will make every following step smoother. Next, head to shopify.com to start your free trial. You'll need to enter your email address, a password, and your store name. Don't stress too much, you can tweak the store name later if you need to. Once you're inside your admin dashboard, Shopify's setup wizard will guide you. It will prompt you to add your first product. Click Add Product, and fill in the details like the title, description, price, and images. This is where your idea starts to feel real. Then, it's time to choose a theme. Go to Online Store Themes. Browse the free themes and pick one that fits your brand's vibe. You can customize the colors, fonts, and layout later, so just choose a solid starting point. Finally, configure your essential settings. Go to Settings, Payments to set up a way to get paid, and Shipping and Delivery to define your shipping rates. This prepares your store for its first real customer. And just like that, you've laid the groundwork for your own e-commerce empire. This is an exciting first step. If this guide got you started, please give it a like. What's your store going to be called? Share your business idea in the comments to make it official. For a detailed walkthrough on launching, subscribe and check out our next video. Thanks for watching.